Okay, coming to the question number 13. In transformer, power and frequency. We know that in transformer, it will step up the voltages and step down the voltages. And the thing is, voltages are changed, but the thing is, power is constant, no? Power and frequency is constant. So we have to write constant. Power and frequency are constant. Coming to the question number 14, the two resistors R1 and R2 are there. When they are connected in series, what you have to do? So when R1 and R2 are connected, R1 and R2 are connected in series. So R1 and R2 are connected like this. When they are connected and excited by AC voltage source, how they are, same current will be flowing. Here, how these two are connected? Series, no? In series these two are added up. In parallel we have to do product by sum, whereas in series we have to do addition. What about capacitor? The capacitor, in the capacitor, the formula for q is equal to CV Raman. You have to remember CV Raman, scientist name. Okay, charge into voltage. Capacitor is charge into voltage. Coming to the voltage across capacitor in AC circuits. AC circuits. Let me. ఆనంద్ సార్ మెల్లగా రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్న వీడియోస్ కొంచెం మెల్లగా ఒక్క 2 minutes అయితే అయిపోతుంది. Coming to the question number 16, voltage across capacitor. What is voltage across capacitor? We know that voltage across inductor is V equal to L di by dt, whereas voltage across capacitor is V is equal to, that is V suffix C, Vc is equal to 1 by C integral I into dt. This is the voltage across capacitor. The formula for Xc is nothing but capacitive reactance. It is 1 by omega C. 1 by omega C, this is sigma. 1 by 2 pi f into C. 2 pi f into C. Coming to question number 18. In RL circuit, what is the value of impedance? Impedance Z is equal to, if they are connected in series, we have to add, no, that is R plus J suffix x j into R plus J into x suffix L. What is the peak factor? Peak factor is nothing but the ratio. It is the ratio of peak value, no? Peak is nothing but maximum value to the RMS value. Maximum value to the RMS value. Now coming to AC circuits frequencies. In India, we generally, the frequency is 50 Hertz. Okay, what is the voltage across resistor in AC circuit? Voltage across resistor, nothing but voltage drop. V is equal to, just like Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Coming to the, what is the formula for current in Thevenin's circuit? Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem means the equivalent circuit is what? Resistors, two resistors will be there. This is the Thevenin's voltage, plus and minus will be there. This is VTH, this is RTH, and this is RL. How current is calculated? We know that I is equal to V by R. V is VTH here. This is Thevenin's VTH or IL. This is IL current we are finding. RTH, they are connected in series, means they are added up. RTH plus RL. So this is the formula you need to write. IL is equal to VTH by RTH plus R suffix L. Now coming to current division formula. Current division, if we see two resistors, if I consider here, it is given with some supply voltage V. Because of this voltage V, the current will be flowing, the total current. This will be the total current. This total current will be splitting into two parts. It will depend upon the given values of resistors I1 and I2. Suppose this is R1 and this is R2. What do you want? Current division formula. So let us take current through one R1. So I1 is equal to total current into Opposite resistor is what? Opposite resistor is R2 by sum of the resistors R1 plus R2. Coming to voltage division formula. Voltage division formula. Here, let me clear first these things. Voltage division formula. How voltage is divided? Voltage divides in series circuit, no? So suppose n resistors are connected in series. This is the voltage source. This is R1, R2, so on Rn. And this is voltage source Vs. Current will be flowing. Current is same. So if you want to find the voltage drop across any resistor, we can calculate. So if you want voltage drop Vn is equal to, what is the formula? We will get the formula as total voltage into particular resistor by that total R equivalent. Okay, this is the formula you need to write. Vn is equal to voltage across nth resistor is equal to let me clear this. Voltage across nth resistor is equal to total voltage is V suffix S, this is V suffix S, into particular resistor is Rn by total resistance is R equivalent. R equivalent, how they are connected? They are connected in series. You need to add. The last question, draw the symbol of inductor. Inductor is just like a coil, just represent as a coil. Okay, this is the symbol of inductor. Thank you.